Hello everyone, this is Jagnash Singh and I'm pursuing aerospace engineering from Centennial College. So this is the actually time to file our taxes, those who are new international students. So make sure you file your taxes. 30th April is the deadline that Canadian government has given for filing taxes. So in this video we are going to talk about what are the benefits of filing a tax with the Canadian government. So let's go. So first of all, those international students who are working on SIN, it is really very helpful for them to get income tax return that they have filed. So when you are working on SIN, there are three types of taxes that you pay. First is federal withholding tax, second is CPP, and the other one is EI. EI stands for employment insurance. So these are three deductions that is get deducted when before even paying you the income. So when you file your taxes with the government, your federal withholding tax is returned to you, because obviously we are earning really very less as an international student, and it is returned to a student. So second thing is there is a record of you that you are tax-paying citizen here, which is really very going to help you in your long term. After once you get done with your studies, when you are filing your work permits, PGWP, that is post-graduation work permit, so it is really very helpful to keep your record clean with CRA, which is Canadian Revenue Agency. So this is the second benefit for filing the taxes. So I understand as a newcomer to Canada, you do not know anyone who can help you in filing your taxes. So how to file your taxes? So you can also file your taxes by yourself, but obviously you are so busy here, you do not get that much time to file your taxes. But obviously if you are a finance student, you should know how to file your own taxes. So if you are a finance student, just go about finding a way to file your own taxes by yourself. And if you are non-finance student and you are from engineering background or anything like that, you can also try to do the same, but still there is another easier way out. What you do is you just contact your nearest accounting agency. So for example, recently I have filed my taxes and I just contacted my known, those who for filing the taxes there, they have accounting firm here. So I just filed my taxes and they charge you around $30 to $40, that's it. So this is the fees that you give and your income tax is filed, so you can easily relax. So what you do is, if you are working on SIN, you need to attach your T4, which your agency gives you, your employer gives you. And the second thing, what I did personally, I have paid my tuition fees as well. So I have attached all the financial documents that for the proof that yes, I have paid my tuition fees. And if especially you are living in Ontario, you are a resident in Ontario, there is a benefit especially to Ontario resident that is known as Ontario Trillium benefit. So you can just ask your accounting firm if you are eligible for that Ontario Trillium thing, because obviously it's going to help you as well. But if their accounting firm is already in Ontario, they must be aware of this thing already, so you do not need to tell them. So another document which I have attached is I got scholarship in the previous year, so I have attached the financial document for that as well, where it was written how much I have got in scholarship and how much taxes is deducted. So that's the reason. So moreover, one thing which is really very necessary for you to know is, if you are living in a house here, obviously the rents are really very high, so you can even tell the rent that how much you are paying, and it also get deducted in the tax filing. So this could be another good point for you to know. So recently I was in a conversation with my friend regarding this tax filing thing, and I came across a term called Welcome to Canada bonus, and it was claimed that the government will be paying all the international students, those who came to Canada in the year 2021, they will be giving them $500 for free just as a Welcome to Canada bonus. So I was very curious, because obviously $500 for free, that was quite a bit good thing. So I came to Bill home and researched about this thing. So personally I found no evidence of this Welcome to Canada bonus on Canadian government official site, that is canada.ca. So second step I took, I called one of my friends who is pursuing CPA here, and he is intern here with a very good company. So I just called him in order to ask for if he has any information on this thing, but unluckily he was also very unsure. So I talked to an accounting firm here in Toronto. So they just told me that this is just a myth. There is nothing, no any term known as welcome to Canada as far as they know. So that's the reason there is no anything. And they were also telling me that there are a number of students who are asking them about this thing, but there is nothing, any term like welcome to Canada thing. So just a basic point of advice is just give your T4 documents to a very well faithful trustworthy accounting firm, because obviously your T4 has your SIN number and SIN social insurance number, and it is not to be shared with anyone to whom you do not trust. So it's just a word of caution for you all, because there are a number of scams those are going on in Canada regarding the SIN and everything like that. So be very careful about that. You do not share your SIN with anyone except your employer, banks, and your accounting firm. That's it, the trustworthy accounting firm. So these were all the points that I want to discuss with you guys. So anyhow, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.